Welcome to National High-Tech Enterprise, Tianyi Industry. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the heart of excellence in industrial hoses, Tianyi Hose Factory. Let's explore the technical advantages that set Tianyi apart in the industry. Firstly, production equipment innovation. At Tianyi, innovation begins with our production equipment. Our team has independently developed a new extruder head, ensuring more stable glue production. This is just the beginning of our commitment to excellence. Secondly, advanced winding and braiding technology. Next, we introduce our new winding machine, a testament to our dedication to professionalism. This machine is not just a tool, it's a symbol of our advanced product technology, designed for the most flexible customization to meet military standards. Thirdly, technological innovation. Every step in our production process is a leap forward in technology. Our ultra-precision filter ensures a uniform glue application, while our improved weaving technology takes accuracy to the next level, with a wire braid overhang precision of just 10 millimeters, surpassing the standard 50 millimeters. Fourthly, quality control. Quality is not an accident at Tianyi, it's the result of meticulous attention to detail. Our inner tube caliper ensures uniform thickness, while our static pressure test guarantees the highest security standards. We don't settle for less. We pulse test up to 500,000 times and subject our hoses to vulcanization high temperature pressure tests for the most stable quality. Eventually, intelligent traceability. Innovation doesn't stop at production. We've independently developed an intelligent traceability platform that ensures quality control throughout the entire product life cycle. At Tianyi Hose Factory, we don't just make hoses, we create solutions that stand the test of time. Join us as we continue to redefine what's possible in the world of industrial hoses. Tianyi Hose Factory, where innovation meets excellence.